to Immanuel Lutheran Church and Student Center, Macomb, Illinois, and especially here at the Chapel of St. Timothy the Learner. Here in this sanctuary, nave and sanctuary, every Sunday when Western Illinois University is in session, we give the gifts that Christ freely gives to all of the students, faculty, staff, whoever the Holy Spirit gathers here to receive the gifts. We are so blessed to have this facility here so that it can be a refuge for the weary, a nourishing place, especially for those students who are going through hard times in their life, 4 years of learning, going through various issues that they're struggling with. And this place can be that refuge for them. It is such a blessing. And why I'm doing this video today is to encourage you with the Dollars for Mission to give to that, because it's going toward furnaces for our facility. So I pray that by the Holy Spirit you'll be moved to give to that so we can keep doing the work to serve the students here at Western Illinois University. Thank you. Hello again and welcome back to Immanuel Lutheran Church and Student Center. Here we're actually in the basement of the Student Center, and in here, this is a phenomenal facility. We have this great open space here where we can host events for students. We also have every Wednesday night during the school year, the church actually does meals for the students. So it's an amazing opportunity with this great kitchen behind me and everything, which is also good. The students can use it during the year. And why I keep mentioning students using it here, down here in the basement behind this kitchen is an apartment where we house students, be it either male students 1 year or female students, never, mixing male and female, but either male students or female students. They can house up to 3 students each year, and it's a great opportunity. And why I'm mentioning that is with the Dollars for Missions for this time period, we're raising money for the furnaces here at Immanuel Lutheran Church and Student Center. So I encourage you by the Holy Spirit, please give to that so we can continue doing the good work for the students of Western Illinois University, that we can continue giving them this place where they can be nourished and strengthened in the faith as they pilgrim on through their college years. God bless y'all. Bye-bye. Hello and welcome back to Immanuel Lutheran Church and Student Center. I am here in the furnace / conditioning / laundry room / store. A lot of stuff happens in this room. But why we're finishing our videos in this room, even though it's not the prettiest room in the whole facility, a lot of good things happen in this room that are very important. So here at the Student Center, we serve the students of Western Illinois University, those Missouri Synod Lutherans or people that just need to hear the love of Christ, have that refuge for the weary here for those students at Western Illinois University. And for the Dollars for Missions for this time period is raising money for the furnaces here at the Student Center. And this is very important. Once it gets colder in the wintertime, fall time, wintertime, these are so important that we can continue our worship life, our Bible studies, and everything we do for the students here. So I encourage you, please give to this so that we can keep doing the work Christ gives us to do here and continue comforting and encouraging those students as they pilgrim on in their studies and onto their various vocations Christ has given them. God bless y'all. Bye-bye.